Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free Dogecoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and first of all go to deposit, copy your Dogecoin wallet address. After copy your Dogecoin wallet address, come in this website link available in description. Paste your Dogecoin wallet address in here and just click login. Okay, first of all click login to login in your Dogecoin wallet address, and you can claim this much Dogecoin every 3 minutes. This will be pay you instantly to your faucet pay. Just click continue. Okay, first of all solve this capture. Is too easy not to how to solve in this capture. Just click this all the words, then you solve the recapture and just click verify capture. And you can see this website send me my satoshi instantly to my faucet. I go to my faucet to show you the withdrawal proof of this website. Did this website pay me or not? You can see this website send me my satoshi instantly to my faucet pay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.